Christmas is about spending time with family and friends. It's all about togetherness and bringing those who love each other together.
I think Christmas means a lot. It's a very important time to spend with family and friends. Normally go out, see all the people that you love and wish them a Merry Christmas. And I think it's a time that you can bond together.
Christmas to me is a time to be with my family. It's really, really nice to just take a break from work and school and be together and just really enjoy spending time together.
The main takeaway from understanding the culture of my Christmas is just to appreciate others and to give gifts. The reason why we give gifts is to show our appreciation to them. So just to be able to appreciate their friends, appreciate their family, and enjoy their time together.
I want them to learn why we have Christmas. I want them to learn the different ways that people celebrate Christmas. Different cultures celebrate it in different ways. And I want them to feel joyous and festive and take part in the festivities.
Merry Christmas! That's what I'd say to all my colleagues, my friends, my families, is always Merry Christmas and have a nice year.
Merry Christmas! Have a good time.
A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.